If you've been looking at Comma Football Store and wondering if it's actually legit or just another online scam, you're definitely not alone. The prices can look very tempting. But does the store really deliver what it promises? Here's what I found. First, Comma Football Store mainly sells football jerseys, training gear, boots, and fan merchandise. At first glance, the website looks clean and professional. There are plenty of product photos, and the discounts can seem almost too good to ignore. But that's exactly where you should slow down. One thing I always check is whether a store provides clear contact information, shipping details, and return policies. If any of those are missing or vague, that's usually a warning sign. A trustworthy store should make it easy for customers to know who they're buying from. Another thing to consider is customer feedback. Some shoppers say they received their orders and were happy with the quality, especially considering the low prices. Others report slow shipping, delayed tracking updates, or items that didn't quite match the pictures online. That means experiences can vary quite a bit. When it comes to jersey quality, don't automatically expect official club merchandise unless the listing clearly says it's officially licensed. Many budget football stores sell replica-style jerseys, and the quality can range from surprisingly good to fairly average. Payment methods also matter. If you decide to order, try using a credit card or a payment service that offers buyer protection. That gives you an extra layer of security in case something goes wrong with your purchase. So, is Comma Football Store legit or a scam? Based on what I've seen, I wouldn't immediately call it a scam. However, I also wouldn't say it's completely risk-free. It seems to be one of those online stores where your experience depends on what you order, your location, and your expectations. My advice is simple. Start with a small purchase instead of placing a large order. Read the latest customer reviews before buying and avoid spending more than you're comfortable risking.